is Ken with Ken Can Cook Show. I'm so glad you guys are here. Today we're doing a new series. It's our microwavable cooking series. And what we're going to be featuring is just some instant food that we can instantly fix up in a snap. And we're going to start it off with a breakfast meal, and just a simple meal of grits and milk, just nice and simple. So, what is the first thing that we need to do? What? Yeah, that's right. We need to wash our hands. That's right. We want to wash our hands because we want to get that bacteria, that nasty, gooky, wooky, nasty stuff off of our hands. So we can eat nice and healthy. So always wash your hands when you're touching food. It's always a good idea. All right, now we're doing instant grits, folks. So what we need is our instant grit pack and a half cup of water. That's it. That's all you need to make instant grits. Now, what I like to do with my instant grits, let me go back to the refrigerator right here, is I like to add in a little bit of cheese to my grits. Just gives it a little spike. And I also like to add a little bit of applesauce as well. But first, let's make our meal. Now, if we just simply read the directions, we just empty the package. Pour the contents in. Pour the contents in, and that's it. Now, what I like to do when I'm making my instant grits in the microwave is I slowly pour the water into my instant grits. Just pour a little bit at a time. If you do this, you don't have to worry about the soup factor. Because, I like my grits kind of gritty. So I just pour a little more. And you don't necessarily have to use all of the half a cup. Because, if you like them gritty like me, gritty is a good thing. So, but since I'm going to be good today, I'm going to put all the half a cup of water in. That's only because I'm following directions. Remember, there's 3 simple steps with cooking. Follow directions, be safe, and have an adventurous attitude. That's all you need to do to know how to cook. So we stir up our grits as such. Oh yeah, I like that consistency right there. Oh, beautiful. Now, we're going to take it to the microwave. Remember, the instructions said to only put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds. So let's do that. Go over to our microwave. And we put it in as such. Set the microwave for 1 minute, 15 seconds. Close the door. And we're cooking. Woohoo! Yeah, and while we're cooking, what I like to do now is, hey, let's get breakfast ready. Let's pour that glass of milk. And you know what? I'm feeling kind of good today. So I'm going to have I'm going to have chocolate milk. That's right. I know what you're thinking. Silly rabbit, tricks for kids. But we ain't eating no tricks, we having chocolate milk. And this is the King Can Cook chocolate milk, so we're going to go 1, 2. After all, it is 25% less sugar. So, while that's going, we're going to stir and make our nice little chocolate milk. Oh, that looks. Oh, look at the consistency, the flavor. I can smell that aroma. Don't you wish you had smell-o-vision to smell my chocolate milk? This is downright delicious. It should be up for our minute. Should be going ring-a-ding-ding pretty soon. So let's walk on over to our microwave. There it goes. Now remember, that bowl is hot. So let's not burn our fingers. Let's use a Fingerslip. That's right. You don't know what a Fingerslip is? A Fingerslip. It's a microwave cooking mix. 4 fingers on the top, thumb goes on the bottom pocket, and you easily grab hot stuff right out of the microwave. Well, hot stuff, hot food, out of the microwave. So let's grab it. Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, yeah, I got 2 hands on my bowl. You notice when I was using the microwave, I used a glass bowl. Now, you know, there are some microwavable safe dishes out there, but I'm old school. I like glass. So all we do now is we just stir our contents. And, ooh, yeah, those grits are hot. So you know what I like to do when my grits are hot? I like to add my little cheese. Some people put butter in their grits. I put cheese. Just, oh yeah, that looks, that looks beautiful. Oh yes. And another thing that I like to put, and since I got my cheese in there, I just swirl it. Swirl it 1 time. Ooh, swirl it 2 times. There it goes. Oh, there it goes. The grits are nicely melting my cheese. So my next thing, what I like to do, doing that little yin-yang kind of thing, got some nice applesauce. I just put a little bit of applesauce with my grits. Close that top, put that away. And there you have it. Oh, let's put these fingerslips up. Oh, isn't that cool? They're magnetized, easy storage. Wow. So here we have it. A simple breakfast, grits breakfast. Cheese, grits, applesauce, and a glass of chocolate milk. This is King Can Cook with the King Can Cook Show, reminding you that you don't have to be a chef in order to cook. If King can cook, so can you. See you folks. Let's have a bite. Let's take a nice little bite of this. Oh yeah. This is delicious. Oh so. Delicious oh so. I'll see you folks. Thanks for stopping by. See ya. Bye. Bye.